Companies selling to middle-class consumers will be the most vulnerable this holiday as wealthier Chinese continue shopping, but the more budget-conscious cut back, said Adam Xu, a partner in Shanghai with consulting firm OC. The slowdown in growth is happening and most likely in the mass part of the market, Xu said. Loading with Chinese consumers in the global spotlight, here's the outlook for some industries that count on them spending to ring in the New Year holiday. Demand for jewelry has traditionally climbed during the holiday because gold is seen an auspicious gift from older generations to younger ones. These days, it's not just the weak economy that has the bling industry feeling the holiday blues. Nikos Kavalis, London-based director of research firm Metals Focus Limited, said buying will not be what it used to be 10 years ago because a lot more Chinese consumers nowadays choose to travel abroad rather than go to their hometown. Hong Kong's Chow Tai Fook Jewelry Group Limited is expecting no sales growth this year compared with a New Year holiday in 2018, according to Managing Director Kent Wong. The company is trying new product designs to inspire consumers to splurge. We believe some discretionary purchases, especially for those high-priced products, will be hit by the market conditions, he said. Many of the big luxury brands say that China's rich are still shopping hard. French fashion giant LVMH on January 29 reported strong demand for its spirits and leather goods from Chinese consumers. The trend of last year continues in January because Chinese New Year is very close now, Chief Executive Officer Bernard Arnault said in an interview with Bloomberg Television. More than 400 million Chinese tourists are likely to travel domestically during the holiday. Credit: Bloomberg premium goods are popular purchases during the festive season, and the week-long holiday will be an indication of just how resilient the biggest spenders are. There have already been pockets of weakness. Exports of Swiss watches to China slumped in December, and Swatch Group AG reported January 31 that China contributed to a slowdown in the fourth quarter. Chinese consumers account for a third of global duty-free spending, and the economic slowdown has weighed on travel companies. The Lunar New Year could be key to turning things around. More than 400 million Chinese tourists are likely to travel domestically during the holiday, about 4% more than last year, according to Citigroup. 7 million Chinese will head to overseas destinations, an 8% rise from last year. Loading with the yuan down over the past year, tourists may be heading to more affordable destinations in Asia. Duty-free operators like Japan Airport Terminal Co. benefit, according to a Bloomberg intelligence report published January 22. Casino operators count on the holiday to bring in tourists from China's mainland. Last year, Macau had more than 900,000 visitors during the New Year break, about 40% more than the average week. Average hotel rates were about $247, 2,000 patakas, almost 4 times the usual price. Weakness in China's property and manufacturing sectors has dampened the annual outlook for the world's largest gaming destination. Analysts expect Macau's 2019 casino revenue to decline about 1% from last year, according to a Bloomberg survey. In November, they had been estimating 5% growth. Tourists are still going to be flocking to Macau this holiday, according to Lawrence Ho, Chief Executive Officer of casino operator Melco Resorts. The operator just launched a new stunt show and a Ferrari exhibition in its resorts. Melco Chief Lawrence Ho is expecting big business during the holiday. Credit: Bloomberg. This Chinese New Year we will definitely see business growth, Ho said, adding that all of the company's hotels in Macau are fully booked for the holiday period. Holiday purchases will account for about 1/4 of total sales for Kweichow Moutai, producer of China's favorite baijiu liquor, Chairman Li Baofeng told the Xinhua news agency in December. Chinese shoppers buy the company's drinks as gifts and for toasts at the family table. But the economic slowdown is hurting demand for spirits heading into the New Year holiday. Demand for premium baijiu products has weakened from 2 months ago, according to a report published by China International Capital Corp. On January 23 that said prices for premium liquor had dropped by 20% from October. The momentum of consumption in China has been slipping off, that's for sure, Takeshi Ninami, chief executive officer of Japan's Suntory Holdings Limited, told Bloomberg Television in an interview from Davos. Bloomberg.